you will study all three methods of transferring heat. Let's start with heat transfer by conduction. Heat transfer is the passage of heat energy from a hot to a cold object. For example, if you hold an iron rod with one end in flame, before long the rod becomes too hot to hold. Heat is transferred from the hot end to the cold end by a process known as conduction. Conduction of heat takes place within materials and between different materials that are in direct contact until there is a thermal equilibrium in material or between the different materials. This means for conduction to take place, there must be temperature difference between different parts of a material or between different materials that are in contact. Thus, heat transfer always occurs from a hot body to a cold one. Heat transfer can never be stopped. It can only be slowed down. In heat transfer, no part of the material moves bodily from one part to another. Now let's look at the definition of conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat through a material from regions of higher temperature to regions of lower temperature, but without the transfer of any of the material from a hotter to a colder part.